These are Mexican petunias.
This one's pretty. I'm gonna cut this flower.
Brown. You know, if you actually look at the bees,
The best smelling one.
Yes.
Miss Loerzel.
Save that.
Oh, now mine doesn't look dead. Maybe it's pollen, and in some places it's darker. Maybe that's where it lost the pollen. Okay, and also all over my paper I can see pollen and stuff. Filament holds the anther, and the anther holds the pollen. I like the petals because they're colorful and sweet smelling to attract pollinators.
stigma, it catches pollen. I learned that the ovary holds ovals in the beginning of eggs. Filament holds anthers.
The things that attract animals are the smell of the petals.
Penduncle. It supports the stigma.
I've never taken a flower apart piece by piece, and it's very interesting. Learning about the petals because they're pretty colors.
There's a receptacle right here, because right here the receptacle is kind of round, and on this flower it has the round part, so I think it's the receptacle.
Water coming out of it.
What do you think that is?
It's the nutrients from the ground because they were in the water.
That's it.
Notice that there's like a little purple thing right before the petals start burning out. I think that ovary is turning a little purple.
Yeah, you can. It's cool because all the pollen and nectar is like going on your hands, and you can see it up close instead of like on the ground growing.
Penduncle is at the end of the stem.